Last time, when we went to the prison in Mangalore, the superintendent told us that the correct word to address the prisoners is not Kaidigalu, but Jailu Vasigalu. They live here for good or bad reasons, but they are not to be called as Kaidigalu. They are our brothers and sisters, and they expect a word of encouragement and consolation, filled with hope. One of those, almost at the end of the hall as we were exiting, asked us, "Father, ನಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಭರವಸೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪೋಪ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರು ಈ ವರ್ಷವನ್ನು ಭರವಸೆಯ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಭರವಸೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಭರವಸೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದಾ?" ಅಂತ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದರು. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಟ್ಟಿದೆ.